This is our 8th meeting, and welcome to all of you. As we are, we are on 14th of August, and you can also say that we are celebrating Independence Day. So I will be also asking few questions related to that. Not as it as in organization they ask question, few silly questions just to make you guys more interactive. Okay, so this is our SIS 8th meeting, 14th of August. I'll not go to deep intro about each and everything because I have already we have already covered a lot of things in our earlier meetings, but I will cover a few major things. As this is the agenda introduction, I have already introduced the theme earlier in WhatsApp group. So today's agenda is we will be discussing, we will be talking each and everything in the manner of Retro 19. So this is not something which is only related to Bollywood. This is something which is related to any advertisement which if you can memorize, there are multiple advertisements for KitKat, for Nema, for Parle-G. You can talk about any political member. So we have already nominations for it. We will be going through that. SIS meeting format. As today we are not going to follow this format. Today we are very going in. Today we are going in a very simple way. We are just going to say about Retro 1990 characters, objects, products, anything, whatever you have chosen. Okay, but let me tell you what are these four parts. Freestyle conversation. At the first, we have a freestyle conversation where we are not measurable for anything, for grammar mistakes, for timing, but we have a time limit for freestyle conversation, 15 to 20 minutes, which we will not be doing today. Prepared speeches. After that, the second part is prepared speeches, where anyone can nominate for themselves for prepared speeches before a week, and they can prepare within the week, and they can present their speech. And the time limit for prepared speech is it's 3.5 to 5 minutes. 3.5 minute and 5 minutes. This is the time where you can get qualified for your level 1. In level 1 we have 5 prepared speeches. Okay, you will be able to get it more familiar after doing these sessions again and again. And after prepared speeches we have table topics. So one of you, anyone can nominate for the role of topic master, and they can come with their creative ideas for 6-7 topics, where anyone can speak about those random topics which will be given by topic master. And the speaker, they need to speak 1 to 2 minutes. 1 minute is minimum and 2 minutes is maximum. Why there is time limit for each and everything? Just to make our each and every session consistent with timely manner. Okay, and also we are also learning in things in disciplined manner, in the manner of time, in the manner of fillers, whatever we are using. Already I have used multiple fillers so far, what I am speaking. Do's and don'ts. So everyone should be responsible, as we are already getting good response every week, and we are also growing our team members. We are getting more participants every week. So this, which is a good thing, and hats off to all of you guys for supporting SIS Speechifying, which means Skill Boosters International Speechifying, which is a part of Skill Boosters International. Okay, and don'ts, no Hindi words allowed, no talks about sex, religion and politics. But today we are, as we have already chosen some characters, so we will be performing or we will be discussing about time. So this is not a part of that. But yes, in our upcoming meetings, so this is the rule: no talks about sex, politics and religion, no absence allowed. This is not a hardcore rule because we are humans and there could be multiple situations. As today we do not have our 2-3 very important members. Okay, they have some work. So yes, this is a beauty of a big team. Okay, even if there are members, 2-3 members on leave, then also we have a good amount of people to participate and to perform our meeting in a good and constructive way. And yes, feedback, as Ritu is going to giving feedback. She's already started noticing my grammar mistakes. So yes, it should not be negative. We cannot say that these are your bad areas, or you are negative on this. We can say these are areas of improvements where you need to improve, and where, for example, if I have used a sentence, I was going again and again. Instead of that, I can say I went multiple times, or I was going multiple times or several times. So somehow you can give your feedback. Okay, same, not same like this. As per your observation, whatever you are observing, you can give your feedback. And it should be 5 to 7 minutes for entire team. So you can decide major lines for anyone. I mean, for all speakers. For example, for me, if we have noticed, there are 7-8 things where I have mistakes. So you can focus on major things where I need to improve, so that you will be able to finish your feedback within 5 to 7 minutes. And okay, we have Mukesh Amodi today. I'm going to talk about Dharmendra. Ranjit, he chosen Shaktiman, and he's also playing the role of failure counter. Manish, Ashok Kumar, okay, the famous song you know as well, the Rail Gadi, Chuk Chuk Chuk. Okay, Vinay he will be talking about Jitendra. Ritu, yes, she's taking care of this particular character, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. As we all know, very respected people. I mean, even I have very good respect for Atal Bihari Vajpayee. We all know him. Tegh Bahadur, Rishi Kapoor. We all know. I don't have any words to say about this character. Shatrughan Sinha, Anup, as he chosen last moment I asked him. So Anup choose Shatrughan Sinha. I don't know if it's Shatrughan or Shatrughan, but yes, we are able to understand what is the character is. Okay, so this is the theme, retro 90s. Okay, so before starting the session, I have few things, because I did not got enough time, so I directly opened retro 90s based on Google. Where it is. So let's start from here. How many of you used, I mean, these things? If you can say anything about, I mean, these objects, what we are seeing on the screen. Vico Vajidanti, bottle. I don't know this one, but yes, I have seen this when I was about 9 to 10 year old. You know this. I use floppy. I mean, we all have used this. Nirma. So any one of you want to say something about anything? I mean, if there is an object which you were too much into that. For example, if I am talking about me, I was very much curious about this serial, Ahat. At that time, it was one of the most scary, you can say, serial, TV serial, and whenever we used to watch this serial, we never went. I mean, there was a fear in our mind in the night. We cannot go to washroom without our parents, right? And we cannot hang our legs below the folding, or you can say the charpai, what we used to say. But yes, it was very interesting thing for me and many of my night boards. So any of these, I mean, if you can choose or pick any of the object and you can say something about that. Let me drag it to top to bottom. So first we have Vico Vajidanti, then this bottle. We can also find these bottles in the markets, but I mean, demand has been decreased. Now there are multiple different designs of bottles are available in the market. Floppy, it's totally gone. Who all have used this, and what you used to say this one, this particular, you can see
postcard.
Yes, and what we can also use today, we can also use some Hindi words, as I already mentioned when I posted first time for today's meeting. So what we
So
used
we
to
can
say
say
this
chitti.
one.
At that time, that was the communication medium, and nowadays all things were changed.
So
Sorry, it changed.
can any one of you, I mean, say something there were so many funny things which we used to write in the Antardeshi card, which is postcard. Anything you can find which seems funny a bit for as per now. No one. Okay, let me share
Once,
my example. When we used to write letters on this postcard, तो हम लोग उसमें क्या करते थे, पूरे मोहल्ले का वी यूज टू राइट, क्या बोलते हैं उसके, नमस्ते का ना, ओके, टू गिव रिस्पेक्ट फॉर एवरीवन। आधा अंतर्देशीय हमारा उसमें ही भर जाता था, फिल हो जाता था कि सादर चरण स्पर्श मामा, सॉरी नॉट मामा बिकॉज दे आर फ्रॉम ननिहाल, दादा दादी, बड़े दादा, छोटे दादा, चाचा चाची। So we used to fill all the relatives, I mean specifically, and then we used to say सादर चरण स्पर्श, मतलब आधा दो से भर जाता था तो हमें दो लिख के भेजना पड़ता था। I mean it was a part of our culture. So anyone has
yes.
used the same kind of anything, or this is only me?
Still use that, but this kind of letter I have written on in exams, in Hindi exams. I
Okay.
didn't use this one because I still remember that my mom used to post some Rakis for Raksha Bandhan, and she used to write some a very little bit about about the greeting, about the how's going on and everything, and just it was a very small letter with that. So I don't exactly remember that how much, what all things they used to they used to write over there. But yeah, the kind of way you just spoken, I still remember that we used to write a write a letter in Hindi exam.
Okay, so that was a good kind of visualization and memorization for you. So anyone else want
Yeah,
to? So what about other things? I mean, if you remember these floppy, Nirma, Phantom. I
I
also.
Uh,
used in water bottle. I used to take this in school, and after that, I think in college it was. I haven't seen it there. It just replaced with the lot of new thermos or other kind of water bottles. But I used to carry this water bottle at my school time. I still remember.
Yes, I mean it
But
has totally replaced so, so many things.
uh,
this bottle
and
remember me about my nursery days.
all over my neck.
this is called thermos.
Yes,
Thermos. And this was putting in our necks.
Correct,
yes,
correct.
Yeah,
I can visualize
yeah.
that scene.
Hang over our neck.
Yes, yes, we
So,
used.
if
Yes,
I talk about 90s memories, so I have the memories are related to games only. So the 90s game I always play with my friends that are Kancha, Lattu, Patang, Pakadam Pakadai, Chupan
Good, good.
Chulai, Maram Pitti. These are our game of that time.
Yes, yes.
and
You
nowadays,
missed Kabaddi.
Correct,
nowadays
correct.
PUBG.
Actually, that was the real games.
So I
Nowadays,
hope
only indoor games.
everyone is
and I
aware of
was
these games.
addicted and I was addicted of video games
And
Okay.
see,
that time.
the beauty of, I mean, these old things, I would say retro things,
I
people
have
were,
also played the video games of like Taken 3, Mustafa, and 97, 2000,
Mario Contra. So I
Mario
paid,
Contra.
paid
Correct.
to him 10 rupees for half an hour or 1 hour.
so
Then
have
when
you,
Yeah,
any one of you ever used cycle coin instead of that
coins,
coin which we
coins,
used to
correct, correct.
purchase?
yeah,
I have cheated many times with the game owner.
Rajit, if you remember, we have a neighbor, Sundar.
Correct,
He used to
correct.
stole the coins, bunch of group of coins from the video
Yes,
game
yes.
machine by using the magnet, a big magnet. I mean, he was very smart enough to do such activities. He used to stole multiple coins in one go and distribute. I also use multiple coins. I mean, it was free of cost for us. Okay, so anyone else want to choose anything? I mean, this is a normal discussion. I think it is full of fun. We are memorizing, we are visualizing these retro objects. Anyone? You
You,
know
which
this?
one is this? This blonde?
Floppy.
No, not floppy. This guy. Who is this?
Baba Saigal.
He's Baba.
Yeah, Baba Saigal.
Baba Saigal.
Oh.
Rap singer. We can say the
That is great. I will go with
and his time.
cassette. This cassette. This is too amazing. You can also listen the song. You can use for this stretching from this some strips from this cassettes to make another thing. So it is really very great to use this type of things which belong to 90s. So it is. We can also make the recording as well in this. We can replace the previous song to with new songs. So this is something about using that thing.
Character. We are using this kind of cassette in Walkman and DAG.
Yeah. Sometime also your friend to like using for your friend to yes.
Yes, Ritu, you were saying something.
Yes.
Yeah, I was just saying that I used to love the pull out that ring over there, that pull over there in that packet. I love that one.
I mean, you were good to destroy the cassettes.
I still love that one.
Yes, it was a natural. And have anyone of you experienced when the reel got shrink and uh, you listen a different sound of your song? Like if there is a song Mubarak ho tumko ye shadi sumari, sometime it goes fast and sometime it goes I mean in low pitch. Like if it is playing like Mubarak ho tumko ye shadi, then again
So
in
the
a faster way.
The
Like,
reel actually stuck in the somewhere, and then we pull out that cassette and then roll that by pencil or by pen or even finger also.
It's kind of fun.
it was a
And,
fun, I mean, full of fun,
exactly.
right? So after the cassette gets restored, after that also we can, I mean, we were able to play with that, with the ring, with the reel,
It's too useful.
Yes,
It was too useful. Yes.
and if you remember, many of cycle users, they used to hang the bunch of group reels in a decorated way in their cycles handle.
And right. And we do also कि उसमें एक कंकड़ में वो फंसा लेते थे and then throw.
Yes, and
Fruity.
Tutti Frutti, yes, it is also, I mean, in the market. I count it
It
as
is.
yes, Ritu, please. So we are free to speak about anything. So one request. While any one of us speaking, so rest of us we can mute or we can listen and then we can start saying something. So, Ritu, you were saying something, or Ranjit, you were saying something, right? I forgot.
I'm not saying something. I just want to see the full list.
Okay, this one we'll talk
Ranjit
about
is-
this later because Ranjit has chosen Shaktiman, so he will talk about it separately. So who knows this?
Sure.
I mean,
This is, I think, this is the Onida's ad. Onida's ad.
Right. This is on that TV.
let me find something else. Okay, guys, do you remember this? Trump cards.
Yes.
Khali
Trump
was
cards.
also
Trump card
Yes.
and Pokemon card also.
and who all have used this ink,
Yeah,
lollipop. I used to buy one lollipop and 1 rupees at 1 rupees. And who knows this? I mean, who is this? I'll not describe this one. Who is she or
Who is
he?
she or he?
She is singer actually.
Okay.
It's up to you,
Sawan
like,
Murni ban
what's
ke
in
naam
your
to
mind?
like this song.
Falguni
She sang
Pathak.
this song.
I guess Falguni. Yes.
Falguni, right.
And nowadays also, I mean, young singers has copied her songs also. And this one, if you remember this, DuckTales.
Yeah, everyone know him. Yes, the richest man.
And
World famous.
We all know.
show my result. Okay, so I think we are done with this. It is showing result. It was a quiz. Okay, so let's go with our next activity. So we have grammarian, Ritu, we have timing for what I have mentioned the timing. Okay, it's 3.5 to 5 minutes for every speaker. It's not necessary you have to speak 3.5 minutes, but yes, if you can, then it is good. But the qualification needs 3.5 minutes. At least you have to speak 3.5 minutes to qualify that particular role. Okay, Manish 3.52. So let's see who will be the winner for today. And I will be having two winners. One winner already has been nominated. I will just announce after, I mean, at the end of the meeting. And one winner will be decided after our discussion, who plays a good in a constructive way and who qualifies with majority voting. Let's see. Okay. So we have first. Okay, who is going to start first? We have already nominated and shared Ranjit, Manish, Vinay, Ritu, Tegh Bahadur, Anup.
So guys,
And
Anybody can come.
Don't,
Yes.
don't go on the names as Ranjit is on up, so don't go with them.
okay.
I think we can go with Manish. Manish is not talking anything.
Yeah, yes. Sure. We want
In
to
this
listen.
class, yes.
Take this name, not this.
Manish.
Don't move your wires. And
Yes,
Around
Open up, Manish. Yes.
Who is messaging me? So I will be on mute because it might disturb you. You can. So Manish, you are going to start, right? Ashok Kumar. If you can share few fun factors, anything about Ashok Kumar. So you will be the timer for yourself also.
Manish, first of all, be in a network area, in a good network area, so we can hear you.
I think he is in a
properly.
good network area today. I can
Yes. But just he moving his wires to making this.
Yes,
this
yes.
Yes. Yeah, we are listening you. Go ahead.
But should I start? If you need some time.
but first of all, I need to know. I need to talk. Topic.
Your voice is not proper.
Yes.
Okay, let me start. Okay, then you might get confidence over it because I'm also not. I mean, also I'm not a champion. I'm also the same kind of guys as you guys are. Okay, so I have nominated myself for Dharmendra. So this is not about going to play a role of Dharmendra. I will be discussing a few things. You might know and you might not be knowing the things. So Dharmendra, do you know the surname of Dharmendra? Anyone?
Dharmender Deol?
Yes, it's Dharmendra Singh Deol. Deol, yes. And
Yes, sir.
yes, he was from 90s retro. We can say yes, one of the best actor, and he's also best known for his big work in films. And yes, he is also known as He-Man of India in films. And how many of you knows Dharmendra has I mean two marriages, two wives?
I think we all knows that.
We all know. Yes.
Okay, actually today I learned about it, so I thought that no
Okay,
one knows
okay.
about it. So So that's why.
You confirming by us, na?
Yes,
That's
yes,
why.
yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
So yes, he contributed. I think more than 100 uh, leading movies. He played a lead role in more than 100 movies successfully, and we all know Sholay. So after his first marriage, he had two sons, Abhay Deol and Bobby Deol. Okay, they both are actor, and I might be incorrect because I did not did any research and just found few things because I'm not I'm not in too much in Dharmendra, but yes, as I have chosen to, I have to speak about it. So once Sholay shooting started, Dharmendra, he was interested in Hema Malini. I mean, he felt love with Hema Malini and started flirting. And if you know the story, while the shooting was going on for that shoot in Sholay, where Dharmendra was teaching how to play a gun. Okay, so this shoot was done multiple times. It was done multiple times because of Dharmendra. He gave some money to the cameraman and to the crew members that play this role again and again. And there was a scene of a lift in our earlier times. We used to see. I mean, I think we can also see nowadays when there is a new construction is going on. You can see a kind of different desi type of lift which goes up and down. So in that movie, there was a scene where Dharmendra and Hema Malini, they both used to jump from the lift, and they have to use the lift and they have to come to down. So that scene also went. I mean, he also performed that scene multiple times, several times, and also he gave some money to because he was too much in Hema Malini and he wanted to achieve her. I mean, marry her. So genuine love, you can say. So so this was the story. I don't know very detailed about it. Actually, while I was watching the movie Sholay a few days back, then they give some information in advertisement with advertisements. Do you know how the story started and how they got married? So this is about his a separate part of story and life. If I talk about his achievements, so yes, he's one of the best film actor, Bollywood actor. Is still alive now, and he has, I mean, I think 4 5 children: Dharmendra, Sunny Deol, Bobby Deol, and Isha Deol, and I don't know more about their about his children. But yes, I like Dharmendra very much because I can see Salman Khan finding him. I can see Dharmendra finding him as a Salman Khan while he was young. So they have they both have a very good relationship because of that. Because if you see Salman Khan, his attitude, he also I mean don't know dance very well. Dharmendra as per that time he was not a good dancer, but there are few steps which I mean which are very famous. If you remember the song Jati Amla Pagla Divana, even nowadays when there is a DJ, they used to play this song. I mean at least at once they used to play this song in functions and occasions. If there are young people and there are people who are moody, who are naughty kind of thing, they used to play this kind of song. And yes, when he I mean after his first marriage, when he moved to Mumbai, he was not an actor. I think he was a tangewala. He used to play I mean used to work with tange. He was a tangewala. He came in Mumbai. I think it was again in 90s, because I don't know the year because we don't have to give any exam. Whatever we are discussing, it should be a kind of formal information. So when he moved to Mumbai, then he married to Hema Malini after having few shootings and fall in love with Hema Malini. And I think Sholay it was shooted in 1970, right? And after that, this Jodi, they have successfully I mean played role in many movies. I think more than 150 movies they played lead role together. And I remember few of them: Loha, Dharam Kata, and One of my favorite movie, which was actually I'm not getting the name exactly, but I like the character. If you guys remember that movie, there were two brothers, and they both were Dharmendra. I mean, double role of Dharmendra, and one was died, and was alive. The one who was died, he was a childish Dharmendra. I mean, with, you can say, a childish mind, who don't have a good kind of manner to understand anything. And they both were separate, okay, but when they met, the that particular one which I'm talking about, who was having childish mind, the dons and the killers kills him. And what happens when the perfect Dharmendra, I would say, who was perfect with his mind and mentality, everything, he got power from his brother, from his soul, right? And he fought with villains and won, finally achieved his family and everything. I don't know you guys are able to remember that movie or not, but that is my favorite movie. But still, I don't know the name of that movie. So that's all from me about Dharmendra. But yes, nowadays also we can see playing his role in youngsters movie. Like you can see, uh, there are so many couple of movies. There are a couple of movies, I would say, no, not so many. There are a couple of movies where Dharmendra has played a role of, you can say, grandpa and grandfather. If you know the latest movie with Sunny Deol and Bobby Deol, Dharmendra has already played. And in his movie, he used to flirt with angels, with soul angels, right? So that character was very good. And later they showed Salman Khan in that movie. He was also the same kind of. So it was a setting in between their relation, and to promoting their movies for each other's help. But yes, one thing which I have noted, he can find Salman Khan. I mean, he can find he can find himself in Salman Khan in nowadays, because they both are same kind of person, with same nature and same. But there are many rumors are going on. I'm not a fan of any of these guys, but I'm fan of Dharmendra. Okay, so that's all from me. Who is coming next?
Yeah, I'm going to start. So, as Mukesh chosen me as a Jitender, so if I pretend myself Jitender, so I would like to introduce myself everyone that I am Jitender Kapoor. So my real name is Ravi Kapoor. If I want to disclose this thing on a television. So first of all, let me know about myself that I was born and brought up at Amritsar. So and my date of birth is uh, something around 1942. So I born that time. So and in my film career, so I started in Hindi. I started from Telugu films. So it's my career started from since it's around 1962. I started when I was 22 years old. So it overall my career around 30 years I have spent in Hollywood. Sorry, Bollywood. So if I talk about my overall career, I always known about some of the superstars. So there is lots of list about stars, superstars. So when I talk about myself, so I would like to add here that people are really crazy about myself, crazy about me that time, because that time I am known as one of the handsome hero in that list, where we have also standing so many people. We have standing so many stars. Like if I talk about Dharmender, so he's also known as a hunk and handsome hunk that time. So if talking about myself, so I am known as a sweet kind of personality along with handsomeness. So really I had so much fan. So even now I have also so much fan. So if I talk about as my younger day, so especially my most of the fan belongs from the feminines. So and I really blessed with two babies. So one of name is Ekta Kapoor, and second is Tushar Kapoor, my son. So if I talk about my business nowadays, so I am taking care about Balaji Telefilms. So I am the CEO of Balaji Telefilm, and I am taking care the thing with my daughter, which name is Ekta Kapoor, who is taking care about Balaji Telefilm, and it is all about my career and life. So I really appreciate my overall career here. That I learned lot of things to do what I have to do in this film industry. So I also tried my best to do for a newcomers. So I made so many platforms for them. And nowadays you can see me that I am too older, but still I am so handsome in comparison of other superstars. So that I am appreciating myself. Sorry for this, and I'm really happy to know about your points, your point of. I would say that I really this appreciation comes from my fans. So I really thankful to my overall fans who made me like this. So thank you so much. This is something about myself. And over to you next, Hero.
Actually, you are handsome.
Thank you, bro. Same to you. We all are handsome and beautiful here in our team.
हैंडसम बोलते हैं उन्होंने अपना कैमरा ऑन कर
So many people just switch on their cameras.
So who is going to play the next role?
दिया ओके
Today you are free to use a bit of Hindi words, as I already mentioned. So don't feel shy about anything.
श्योर
Yeah, I guess you forget Tarun. So he decided himself that Mahmood. So he really big fan of Mahmood. So now today he is going to talk about Mahmood.
Tarun, do you want to speak first?
You want?
Okay, Tarun, you want to go first? I mean, before Ranjit?
Yeah, feel free about it.
Okay.
So
I'm
Ranjit,
sorry,
you are
guys,
going?
I forgot going to next one.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you can carry on. Yes.
I'm asking who is going to next
Okay.
one. I missed on
Okay.
So Tarun, you are going for the next, right?
Okay, I think Tarun is on mute and he is trying to speak.
Ranjit is going
Yes,
with
yes.
Ranjit, you are
Shaktiman.
on mute.
So I think we have to utilize our time. So Ranjit, you can go for the next because
Sure.
you have to
Okay, I'm
know
starting,
the
guys.
name.
I'm starting.
Yes.
So guys, my topic is Shaktiman. So as you all know about Shaktiman,
Sorry, Shaktiman.
That was
great. This is the good dialogue.
Nowadays,
So,
usually so much used. Yes.
correct.
Yes,
So
start.
the serial is started in 1997 to 2005 and directed by Dinkar Jani and produced by Mukesh Khanna. And also Mukesh Khanna is playing the leading role of Shaktiman in this serial. So it was broadcasted on DD National Channel on every Sunday. And Shaktiman is an Indian national superhero of 90s. All 90s children are loving to see this serial. And it has a main role of Shaktiman, and Shaktiman also have a second face of Pandit Gangadhar Vidyadhar Mayadhar Omkarnath Sastri. In short, we can say Gangadhar. So Gangadhar is working for a newspaper agency, Aaj Ki Awaaz, as a cameraman. And Shaktiman has some supernatural powers. He get the powers from meditation and 5 elements of nature like space, earth, air, fire, and water. So there are some elements of Shaktiman, enemies of Shaktiman. Uh, First one is Tamraj Kelvis and Dr. Jekyll and Electric Man, Kekda Man, Kapala, Jog Joka, and many others. So these are the enemies of Shaktiman. So there is a beautiful woman also. Her name is Geeta Biswas, and Geeta Biswas was a reporter. in the news channel Aaj Ki Awaaz, and she loves to Shaktiman also. So all 90s children very like to see this serial, and this serial is a favorite for all the persons. So guys, main theme of this serial means you can say the result of this serial is बुराई पर अच्छाई की जीत only. So this is I have prepared about Shaktiman. Thank
Yeah,
you.
Ranjit, request you all that switch on your camera while you are speaking, because we don't know, we won't be able to know that you are copying from Google or something else. Yeah. Because Ranjit described lots of things here, so that is why it's too depth of information. So
No,
request you
this
all.
is not that. This is the all information that I shared with you yesterday also on the call.
Good, good. It was really good, but switch on your camera.
Yes, I can switch on, but as I told you, I have suffering from fever and cold, so I have
No
to
issues.
use rumal bar bar and
Okay.
seekna और खांसना.
No problem, no
That is
problem.
why I stopped the camera. So Mukesh, go ahead.
Yes, Ranjit, I was asking, do you know why Shaktiman got stopped? I mean, it was not completed, but why it
No,
got
no, no.
stopped?
I think there is some political reason behind it, and some other.
Might be he inspired lots of people, so many people fell down from their buildings or
Yes,
something
yes,
else.
correct, correct. And
So
some
it
children
can't.
are
Yes, it could have been happened. That is something.
correct, correct. That is something.
No, I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
tell you
Some
why
children are.
Shaktiman got stopped. Actually, the serial was very famous. If you remember,
Huh.
earlier it was for one day, but he started for 2 days, right? Saturday and Sunday both, because the channel, the studio from where he was getting approval for shooting for everything, they used to take a good amount of money. I mean, they increased the amount for per day shooting. Okay, and it was very painful for him. Then he started to recover that. He started RMN also, but they, I mean, increased it more. So that's why he stopped that serial. If you see, I mean, if you Google it, you will find. So this was the reason this Shaktiman
Yes, yes,
serial was
correct
stopped.
information.
Okay, so who is going to next?
Because of his name is Mukesh. That's why.
No, no. Why I know this, because actually a few days back I was watching a video, and I just saw the advertisement, and then I opened that video. Then Mukesh Khanna, he was saying something about this,
Okay.
why he stopped Shaktiman and started Aryaman, and again started and stopped. So that's why I know. Okay, so who is going to perform next? Tarun?
Yeah, open up, yeah. Open up. Yes.
It's my turn. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Actually, I'm choosing. At that time, I usually sing Mahabharata
Okay.
serial.
Okay, great, very nice.
It is good.
Yes, correct.
So there are 5 main characters: Yudhishthira, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, and Sahdev, who is family from. There are two families. There are family dispute. It's based on family dispute. Uh, Mahabharata characters. Basically, there are 5 characters, which is there are dispute of lands there, and another cousin brother Karan is in his enemy side, who was with Duryodhans. So there are a lot of gurus like Dronacharya, Bhishma Pitama, who was teaching to both of Kauravas and Pandavas, because Kauravas basically acquire the land, and Pandavas wants the lands for their right, but there was a misconception in both of parties. For that, he has to be a fight against. That's all. Sorry.
It's too attractive to you. You use so hard words which we really don't know about. What do you? It's really attractive from your side.
Yes, Ritu, please. You're saying.
Yes. Now Ritu turn.
Oh, it's my turn now.
Yes.
So first of all, I would like to say hello everyone and happy
Hello.
independence to all because
Same to you.
thank you.
Thank you.
And, uh, I would say that it is really my honor. I'm so honored because I'm going to tell you or I'm going to speak about respective former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. So as you all know, guys, I think almost everybody knows about his political life and political journey. And I would like to thank my brother because he was telling me one or two incidents which I never heard before, and due to that scenarios, I got this idea in mind that I should choose this one, this topic or this character I should choose. So I would like to uh, talk about something more about those incidents instead of all those all about his journey, because I think everybody knows about him that he was honored with the Bharat Ratna award, and he was the first non-Congress prime minister. So we all know all things. So I would just like to highlight some points about which will tell us the personality, how he was, and how joyful and cheerful, delightful he was. I still remember. I remember one or two incidents which my brother was telling me I never heard before, and it was from 1999. It was from 1999 when he was a prime minister, and he started the Delhi Lahore bus services. So at that time he took a ride from Amritsar to Lahore, and at that time, uh, uh, reaching there, he has given very powerful. He gave a very powerful speech in Governor House, and everyone was praising him there. So when he came outside of the governor house. There was a female reporter who asked him just to tease him that I'm ready to get married. So and with the condition that I want a Kashmir in show your face ceremony. So at that time, without delaying anything, instantly answered her that he's also ready, but the condition would be he wants a Pakistan as a dowry. So it was very quick answer. He was a very quick person. Uh, another incident I remember when so it just talk about that how he was in person, how personality was. uh, and another incident I remember is when Mr. Manmohan Singh visited his place, and he asked his helper to serve a kachori and gulab jamun, all these stuffs to Manmohan ji, and then Manmohan ji said that this can be digested by or handled by ji only. I cannot tolerate these things. I cannot handle these things. I can't digest it. So it shows that how simple, how fond of love, how fond of food for food he had. Sorry, he had. So this is something. This tells about these are the moments. So these are the incidents. This tells about how much how simple and delightful and cheerful personality he was. Uh, Better otherwise, as we all know that about his achievements, whether it's about Pokhran test or the Kargil or during his tenure, we all know about his achievement and ups and downs in political career as well. Still he's always an inspirational to everyone. He's even most loving personality, and not in their own party, but even opposition always likes him. Opposition also like him. So he's a very powerful personality, and I think so much votes, and in order to mm, in order to what I would say, uh, um, admire person, and that's why he got a Bharat Ratna as well. So here I will not end this. I will not end up here because he was a great poet. So I would like to end this moment and this incidents about his life and speech, and this speech here with his one poem, two lines of his poem. I still remember. I always used to speak up like हार नहीं मानूंगा, रार नहीं ठानूंगा, uh, um, काल के कपाल पर लिखता हूँ मिटाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ, मैं गीत नया गाता हूँ. So thank you so much guys, and pardon me if I have spoken anything wrong or spoken anything which I shouldn't. So I'm very pardon. Please pardon me for that. Please forgive me.
No, it's
Thank
too
you.
informative here, and we get so much information by you that you.
Oh,
So who is going next
It
now?
was very good.
And one thing I would like to say why he was very simple, because actually he was a farmer, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and
Okay.
we know farmers. I mean, they are very simple and they're very kind of very hardworking people with their good behavior and
but
everything.
his father was poet, and
Yes.
he also got this talent from him, from his parents.
Yes, I have seen. I mean, this poem sang by him. I mean, while I used to watch his videos, he was a good poet as well. I mean, he already got this talent from his father. And Ritu, yes, I mean, it was very informative, and whatever you have said, you described about Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So few of things which I was not aware of that, but now I got few informative things from you. Who is going to be performing
I
next?
I wasn't even thanks to my brother who gave me this idea and who told me all about these things, and at that moment I just got a strike in my mind that I have to choose this one, and then I paying you that yeah, I will choose this one, this character.
Yeah, it's a good because giving I mean respect is worthful to such kind of people. As he was a very good prime minister, and we can see how he was handling situations, as you have already shared your incidents, right? The reporter asked to give me your Kashmir, then he replied him instantly, give me your Pakistan. Only one condition. So
Yeah,
it seems he
it,
was very
it
simple, but yes, we can say कि इतना भी सिंपल नहीं है. अगर क्या दूध मांगोगे तो खीर देंगे, कश्मीर मांगोगे तो चीर देंगे. I think the dialogue was
listen, he always respond instantly, upfrontly.
yes.
So this is something very interesting about him.
So he's a power. He was also having a powerful heart. I mean, apart from his very simple behavior.
Yeah.
So who is going to be the next performer? Anup. I mean, you are the Bhalla Dev of our meeting. I always say.
Thank you, thank you.
Balal Dev with his daddy.
He's a cool Bhalla Dev. I mean, he's a good guy. So that's it.
Good guy, yes.
I'm bull, not guy.
Okay.
Part of joke. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, yes, clearly.
So guys, Thank you so much for giving me opportunity to choose my character. I'd like to share some movie. The
Anup,
name is Shatrughan,
Anup, your voice is not proper.
and his full name is Shahid.
Can you
No,
restart it
breaking.
again? I mean, restart your speech.
Okay, not it's audible.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So thank you so much, guys. So for this opportunity, today I'm going to tell you about the Bollywood actor, and his name is Shatrughan Sinha, and the famous nickname is Shotgun. And the more about Shatrughan Sinha, his full name is Shatrughan Prasad Sinha, and he's a Bollywood actor, and he's born in 9th of December 1945, and basically he is belong to Patna. And if I talked about his parents, they are very simple persons, and they are staying in the Patna. And about their siblings, Shatrughan Sinha, he is the younger brother of all his siblings. They are four brothers. The all name is Ram, Lakshman, Shatrughan, and Bharat, and he is the younger. And about his marriage life, he married to uh, Poonam Sinha, and their children are there are three children there, Sonakshi Sinha, and two sons, Love and Kush. And if I talked about his politician career, he is the member of Lok Sabha from Patna Sahib and Rajya Sabha in the time of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and he is the Union Cabinet Minister of Health. And he got his first Bollywood sub character opportunity to play in the Devnan movies. That name is Prem Pujari. He played a Pakistani military officer. Later on, he appeared in many of films as a sub side roles, but that is a part of the villains like Pyar Ka Patthar, Banfool movie, Rampur. That's a lots of movies. He played a villain role. He got his first movie lead as a leading character that in the Subhash Ghai movie. The name is actually I forgot the name. That is Kali Charan. That is a very famous movie. And after that, he gives lots of famous movies like Ram Avatar, uh, Loha, Agya, Mere Apne, and he's the famous dialoguist for the Mere Apne. Uh, everybody you all about you already heard about that dialogue, and that was uh, शाम कहाँ है आज तो कहना छेनू आया था.
Can you
And
say with the same style?
शाम कहाँ है. वो तो देन राखी से वो तो बाहर अपने फ्रेंड के साथ दोस्तों के साथ गया है. देन ही से आज तो कहना छेनू आया था. ज्यादा ही खून में ज्यादा गर्मी तो है, बाहर आके मैदान में मिले.
Good, yeah.
नॉट प्रॉपर्ली याद नहीं ढंग से. सो आफ्टर दैट is the one of another famous dialogue from the movie Vishwanath. जली को आग कहते हैं, बुझी को राग कहते हैं, जिस राग से बारूद बने उसे विश्वनाथ कहते हैं.
Yes.
And if I talked about his achievements, he got lots of nomination about his films for the supporting role. And in 2003, he got the Pride of Bollywood Achievement Award, Lifetime Achievement Award, and IFA Award, Zee Cinema Awards. And
Okay. Thank you so much, Anup. And at last, when you said शाम को कह देना
the
चाय में
famous
कहना,
dialogue he
that was wonderful. Okay, so we have next Teghh Bahadur,
So I am the last actually.
last but
okay.
not least.
So thank you, Mukesh. So
Yes.
Mukesh gave me actually the role of Rishi Kapoor. So I'm going to tell about the Rishi Kapoor. So actually I don't know about the Rishi Kapoor. I just Googled all and everything. So actually Rishi Kapoor was full name Rishi Raj Kapoor, and his nickname was Chintu. So Rishi Kapoor born on 4 September 1952 in Kambur, Mumbai, Maharashtra state actually. And his father name was Raj Kapoor. He also an actor and filmmaker also. And his mother name was Krishna Kapoor. She was a housewife. And Rishi Raj Kapoor got married with uh, I was
Neetu Singh.
Neetu Singh, right. And he got married in 1918. And he had two children. One is son. His name is Randeem Kapoor. He's also actor. And his daughter name is Ridhima Kapoor Sahib. And she is a designer. So actually, Rishi Kapoor first movie was the what was the name? Mera Naam Joker, and it was a very famous movie. Actually, he played a role as a child actor, and for this movie he got a National Film Award, and he liked smoke, not drink, and he passed away in April 2020 due to bone marrow cancer. So Rishi Raj Kapoor was an Indian actor and film director, producer from 1952 to 2020, and that's it about Mr. Kapoor. So thank you.
Thanks, Teghh Bahadur. Uh,
Okay.
However, you have copied. I also copied, but yes, as we have to speak, so we got
Yeah, I
something.
have watched in newspaper also. So I watched two or three movie of Rishi Raj Kapoor, like Nagin, and I watched also Deewana movie. In that movie, Shah Rukh Khan also. So due to some reason, he got dead, and after that, Shah Rukh Khan came and loved his wives, and he came back again. So I saw watched only this scene or listen actually story. That's it. I think.
Yes,
Thank
and
you.
do you know anything about Rishi Kapoor? Anything which he told about anything for nowadays? I mean, while he was alive. I'll share one thing.
For
Actually, he told for Zara fashion brand.
okay,
Okay, there was a jeans
okay,
which was having many cuts. You guys know nowadays you can see what kind of jeans are okay in the markets, right? They have the more
okay,
they have cuts, they are more costly, right? So Rishi
right.
Kapoor shared a Zara brand jeans, okay, on I think it was on Instagram. I'm not sure which social media he used, okay. So he shared that please also give a bowl to beg money with this jeans pant. Okay, I mean it was a quite bit funny, but he shared that the more we are going through the fashion and brands, the more they are going. I mean, they're making things cheaper, and it is becoming a trend, fashion trend nowadays. You can see youngsters, like boys and girls, they wear jeans with several cuts in jeans, right? The more they will
Right.
they see the guts, they feels like it is good, it is looking good. But he told
I
about
saw
it,
actually.
and many
Lots of
people,
people wear.
yes, and several people responded and agreed with his statement that yes, you should also give a bowl along with the jeans pant, because it looks like a beggar's jeans. It's not a Zara jeans, but it was Zara brand, which is a quite
Right.
high highly costed brand. Yes.
Yeah. Too
So
much
that's all
costly.
from me. Okay. So anyone wants to share anything about, as we have, I mean, we had not several things today to do, as I already introduced in this starting of the sessions. We all were speaking, and what we earlier used to do, we have few prepared speakers, we have grammarian, we have timer, we have table topic master, okay, but we all were speaking, so that's why I chosen to do for 2 days this way. But from the next session we will be going that way only, because that is a good pattern, and there are so many hidden things in our pattern. It taught a lot of things: leadership, presentation skills. uh, what is benefit I'm getting nowadays, guys? Actually, I joined a new team, uh, or you already know the people who is already I mean, you joined in earlier meetings. So in earlier meetings, while I was having uh, meeting with stakeholders, I used to get nervous. I used to get, I mean, I was not able to understand what they used to say. But nowadays, I'm more familiar with him, not because of what they are saying. I'm able to understand it more because of these sessions. I know there are very vocabulary and grammatical things which I need to learn and I need to correct, even for all of you. But yes, we are growing, we are learning a lot of things by day by day. So this is the beauty of joining these weekly sessions and this pattern which I have shared: freestyle conversation, then prepared speeches, then table topics, then feedback. In feedback, we have grammar feedback, grammarian. Any one of you could be the grammarian in any session, right? Any one of you. So this is a teamwork. Any one of you could be a timer, role player, evaluator, who evaluates the entire session and gives feedback. What what was good and what could be the best. What could be the improvement areas for this entire session where we need to work more. So again, guys, if anyone want to say something, please raise your hand, or we can go for our feedback.
Yes, I think Manish, you are absolutely right. We all are going good, but we still require a lot of improvement. And I think, as you mentioned, that presentation skills, everything can be in a structured manner if we go with the pattern you have already prepared or something. So I think that is something good, because it also improves not just our spoken skills but also the presentable skills, our leadership skills, and the way of structure we have to spoken or we have to present in any meeting or anywhere. So that is something very interesting, and this is something we have to do more and more. And I think we also have to increase our timeline as well, because I think
Yeah, yeah.
so that we can take more time to speak or to present ourselves. And
Yes,
I
yes.
think it should be could be a good opportunity if we conduct this meeting in Saturday itself. So we will get our Sunday completely free. Yeah, it's just it's just a suggestion. If everyone has agreement, if everybody have an agreement into this,
So let's go with the
so
majority, because
you.
Yes, sir. It would be good.
It's a proposal from my
I'm
side.
okay.
You can.
No, I'm okay. It will be good for tomorrow also.
tomorrow we will be enjoying our Independence Day.
Okay, that is also good.
Okay, so yes, we can vote for it. Okay, and because it's not me, guys. It's you. SIS mean it's all of you. It's not single me one. Okay, and whatever contribution, whatever, so things will be on view. I mean, it is not going to it will be giving a good return for each and everything. You will see the results, you will enjoy a lot in upcoming sessions, because we all are learning, and we already understood how we can perform MOD role, how we can perform grammarian role. Okay, so yes, I am hoping, expecting whosoever going to play the role of MOD for the next meeting, so come up with a new idea. If you remember, I proposed one idea and it was very good. You all enjoyed that. Even I'm not satisfied with today's theme, but that was Bahubali theme, if you guys remember, right? We have Bahubali, we have Katappa, we have Bhalladev, we have Bhadra. Okay, we played that kind of role. Okay, it was wonderful. So any great idea, any constructive idea, if you guys have in your mind, you can come up with that, and you can play the role of MOD. That will be more full of conversation and full of energy. Okay, and yes, definitely there are so many hidden things in our pattern which will help you to learn in the manner of all things. And time, it could be increased, it's up to you guys. And one announcement I'm going to make, we have two winners. I will not say winners, they are contributing, we all are contributing, but at end of the day we have to choose a few of them, right? So if you remember in our earlier meetings so far, there is one participant which he was voted by you guys multiple times. Any guesses? And played a very vital role with his constructive ideas, constructive feedbacks. It could be me, it could be anyone. Any ideas to whom I'm going
Vivekanand.
Yes. So yes, he is Vivekanand. I have gift for Vivekanand. I'll be sending through courier. And who is the second one? Anyone knows? For working with SIS team.
Vinay.
Vinay. Actually, we have one winner from the participants, and one who is giving his support to work as an administrator, Ranjit Singh.
Mukesh.
Okay. So we have two winners, and one will be decided as per your votings for today's sessions. Okay.
So I think the second is Mukesh.
Actually, I'm already sending now, so I can purchase.
So we
So
can
you
vote for
can
Mukesh as
you
well.
also.
Okay.
Yes.
So Ranjit and Vivekanand, they both are winners so far as per our every meetings, because Vivekanand, he never took off. Why he took off? Because in quickly we have decided to start session on Saturday instead of Sunday, and he was not aware, and he already had some plans on Saturday. He never took off. Okay, and you guys know, I learned from him, I learned from you, but first I would say Vivekanand. Let's see who will be first in our next meetings. So what I will be doing, or we will be doing, every quarter we will be having winners, not 2-3 winners, because we are growing. We will be having at least 3-4 winners. Okay, 2 winners role players for the role players. 1 winner will be for handling all these things, right? I'll be sharing the PPT once again, what kind of roles we have. Okay, if you remember, I have shared in our first or second meeting. Let me share my screen once again, if you guys remember. Admin controller, and I also forgot, I need to open it. So I was talking about this. Okay, it's not available in this PPT. If you remember, okay, I will send it later, because I don't think I have modified this PPT. So that was for VP education. Okay, for VP mentorship, for leadership. I'll share it in WhatsApp group. Then you guys will be able to understand. Okay, and I think I'll go with feedback. Now over to Ritu. Please share your feedback. so that we can work upon that and we can improve. And next time someone else can take the role of grammarian. Over to Ritu.
All right. Thank you, Manish. Mukesh. Sorry. Uh, so about feedback.
And sorry to interrupt you. Meanwhile, we all can vote in the message group of this meeting. Who is the winner for today? So the person who will get more votes, who will that particular speaker will be winner for today. So we will be having 3 winners.
So can we do for self?
Yes. Okay, so meanwhile Ritu is giving feedback.
I'll
You
also
guys
nominate you.
can message in the message box of this live group. Then I'll count who got maximum votes. That person will be the winner. Okay, Ritu, please go ahead. Sorry to interrupt you.
No worries, Mukesh. So everyone has given his best, and I think everyone spoken on very good with a good tone and good energy level. So I don't know how to deliver the feedback. So I directly speaking up there is I mean I have just noticed 1 or 2 things because everyone is have had mistaken on those part. It's not just that a particular person or any particular person. Even I think me, it's not just any particular team member, but everyone is have mistaken on those parts. And those are something, first is uh, vocabulary. Like we are using a lot of Hindi words wherever we are not able to describe what we want to say. Instead of finding out the alternate or just helping each other, we are trying. We are you know speaking a Hindi word over there. It's not just in today's session, but I think every time we used to do such things. So we have to improve into this. We should try to improve. Like we should I think we can do one more thing, that we can add 1 or 2 vocabulary words during our speeches, or during so we can learn from there. uh, One thing I have noticed on vocabulary part. And second thing, when Manish, I'm sorry, Mukesh was speaking, he performed very well. I think, there is no need to make so much changes. It's just that there are some points whenever we talk about in past, it's not just you, Mukesh, but we all did such mistakes. Like whenever we talk about the past, we use some certain words which instead of third form of verb, or the main verb, we instead of using that third form of verb, we use the first form of verb. uh, in whenever we used to speak in spoke about past tense, spoke about the past. So we have to take care of these things whenever we talk about the past. And another thing, some of us have also mistaken, we use who. If we are talking about some person, we used to use who, that this person who is taking care of this, instead of which. So there are many, several times the people have used which instead of who, because if whenever we talk about a person, we use who instead of which. And whenever we talk about a thing, we should always use the which, or which as a connector. So These one or two points I have noticed. Rest, I'm not sure. Rest, I think everyone has uh, given their best. So there's a lot of improvement required, but still we are doing so much grateful work. Still we are doing so very in a very good manner, whether it's about the participation or it's about the energy level. So we all are doing so well. I think that's it from my side. I Yeah, that's it from my side, and I'm so sorry uh, if I have spoken anything negative about anyone or anything. So please forgive me for that, and I also need some feedback from you guys.
It was very wonderful and constructive feedback from you, Ritu. And there is nothing where we need to say sorry, because that is why we all are here. We are because if sorry, I'm using again the filler words. If you remember, in our offices, what we used to do when we are in a meeting or we are learning in a training or anywhere. So at that part of, or I mean, at that place, we are restricted, but here we are not restricted for anything. We need to just follow few things, as you have already covered, that we many times we use in our earlier sessions also we used Hindi words, which is not allowed, which was only for yesterday, but only for today, but we have already used many times Hindi words in our earlier sessions as well, which I have already mentioned in rules. No Hindi words are allowed. And yes, feedback is required. Why it is required? Then only we will be able to know, because whenever we get feedback, if we are giving our time, we start working on that, right? And
Right, right.
there's nothing like that you're saying so sorry, so don't be I mean, worry about it, don't worry about it. So, and you never said anything negative. You just said that there are few things which needs improvement. Okay, improvement areas you have already covered. So you never you did not used any negative word. So I think it was a good feedback for our entire session, and we need to work on
Yeah.
it, guys. Ranjit, you have noted fillers for all of us.
Yes, yes, Mukesh.
Okay, so now
So,
we will go with fillers. How many fillers we have used, and who is the champion for filler? Who have used more fillers? Let's see who is the champion. And guys, this is a place where we can make a number of
What
mistakes.
is the point of filler exactly?
Sorry.
uh, what this counterfiller role exactly means.
Yes, yes,
I still don't understand what exactly the role is about or something.
yes. Actually, you,
uh,
Tegh Bahadur, and Tarun. Ranjit,
Ritu,
you can describe. Yes, please.
yes, yes. Filler is just like we are using for connecting a sentence
Your voice is
when
low.
we forget or when we taking some time for next sentence. So these are just like a connector words, and some things are we are using frequently in our conversation, like and as you know, like this kind of things are the filler. So we
Okay.
all are good in these terms. We are not using too much fillers. So just like here is only areas of improvement for you only, Ritu. So don't,
I'm
yes, yes. So don't use
yes.
frequently in the end of every line. Just try to convert it on a pause. You can take a pause instead of and continue your sentence. That,
Right. I'll take care of this thing.
Yes, like
yeah, we all are good in this. I don't have anything for other members.
okay. So Ranjit, what's your feedback? What
Great,
is
we are doing great. We are doing great.
okay? You have not
Everyone is doing great. Yes.
noted. It means okay.
Yeah.
I think we have used less fillers
Yes,
instead
yes,
of our earlier
we are
sessions.
using less fillers.
But Ranjit, you should note, because you were playing the role of filler counter.
Sure. So I have tried to note it, but Mukesh, really we are not using that much of fillers. So we noted. We need to note that. If there is need, I will definitely measure the
Yeah, so
things.
why it is happening is because we are getting feedback and we are trying to avoid fillers, as Ranjit already mentioned, like, therefore, you know, and repeating multiple, I mean, same word multiple times, many, okay, you know. So these all are filler words. Therefore, so we can take a pause and we can continue our speech instead of using these fillers. So this is all about filler counter. Timer who takes care of timings, as timer is already facing some issues. He have already messaged due to rain outside, and I think it was genuine reason, because while he was speaking we were not able to listen him properly. So it happens, no issues, as we have already covered each and everything today, which all were required. So any feedback, Tarun, Ritu, and Tegh Bahadur, because you guys recently joined our SIS family, any feedback you guys want to share, we can work upon that and we can improve.
No doubt, Mukesh. Actually, the session is too much good actually, and I am feeling that actually uh, before this session, I was talking to stakeholder, and in that time I feel hesitated actually. So recently I joined two classes, and I'm improving actually, and we can say slowly teaching lots of things. So actually, I have a query regarding actually in my organization, um, from my stakeholder from UK. So actually, he used a very, I don't know how he's speaking. So first उसके दो लेटर समझ में आते हैं, then उसका समझ में नहीं आता मेरे को actually. वो actually I don't know how can I even I focused on his speaking, but still I don't know how he's
I have great solution for it.
like, please suggest.
Actually, there was I was facing same kind of, because I joined a new team and now it is a good higher work for me. Make him your friend. You'll you'll talk more with him. You'll be able to understand him more, because their accent is totally different from us. So try
Okay,
to
okay.
I mean, so there are many, we can make him friends by providing support. If you can ask proactively, if any support required from me, I am good in these things. You must be having good skill sets, right? You can ask him if you need any support in Excel or in, and you can also support if it is legal, I mean, if it's not something kind of restricted thing. You can make him your friend by proactively doing such things, and I think more conversation will make I mean, give you more confidence. Now I'm able to understand each and everything from my stakeholders, I mean, on their calls. But one thing which I'm missing, few grammar things, but yes, confidence makes each and everything. Okay, if you have got the confidence, you know, now you are able to speak. You have to focus on two things, vocabulary and grammar, and by using these type of activities you can improve. Tarun, you
Sure,
want
sure.
to share
Thank
anything,
you.
please?
Yes, sir, it was very good, and I feel so good to speak for a short minute, but actually I was not preparing for anything, so it was for sure. But sir, it was good, and you are very good, like a teacher, and I think it would be good if you will suggest anything else, like you have suggested about vocabulary, to make some vocab rich and to make some grammar also. So if you would be suggest anything else for us to prepare ourselves from onward, so it will be good.
Definitely, we'll work on that, and we will be also sharing few grammatical things. I mean, in our freestyle conversation, we can utilize, and at least we can learn two, three things in every session. Apart from these, I mean, role playing and everything, we can learn at least two, three things, two, three new things, which will help you to improve your speech or your conversation. Ritu, you want to share something? as you have already shared your good feedback, but about the pattern, about the session, if you feel anything needs to be improved or changed, or anyone from our, I mean, old team members.
Thank you, Mukesh. But I think I believe I have already shared my feedback, and there's nothing left to say more about. Uh, just one thing I would like to add upon is, and I'm sorry, I forgot about this. It was just strike into my mind, and I just
No
forgot it.
issues.
I'm
No
sorry.
issues. You can share later if, when you feel in group. No issues. Okay, guys,
Yeah,
are
sure.
we good to go, or anyone wants to say something? Anup, Vinay, Ranjit.
Yeah, just adding here that if I talk about the timings, so we are spending time around 1.5 hours here. So we can stretch that time around 2 hours, so
Yes,
that
yes.
we will have more time to speak about.
Actually,
And we,
I
yes.
used to give Excel VBA sessions for 3 hours,
Oh,
and
buddy,
that is
it's
very
all up to
boring.
you, means.
And that is, learning Excel VBA. That is, and it is very interactive session, so we can improve the time. That is, in Excel VBA, these are very boring sessions, guys. Even I can see in online classes sleeping, but because here we are speaking, everyone is participating, so this is more interactive session, so we can improve the timings. So it's up to you guys. You all are ready, I am ready. SIA means everyone, not a single person. Okay,
Yes, yes, we can extend the time by half hour, half hours.
so we can make it for two
We will try
hours
to. We will try to extend
Yeah.
ourselves.
where
Yes,
we can
yes.
include few.
And also we can move the classes on Saturday also.
Also,
Yeah, if we all can do, so we can do also that overall Saturday and Sunday, so we can utilize that time.
for that I would say,
Yeah.
at least for a particular quarter, show your presence at least for 90% attendance, because giving idea is very easy, guys, but implementing that idea is very difficult, because at the time of the situation, getting that kind of response is very difficult. So it's up to you guys.
That's why we are adding here suggestions. So if we all are ready to do that, so we will do.
If you remember, Ranjit and you and Manish said that start it on
But that
alternate
time
days also.
we decided for all, not for us only. So that time some of people back off that thing.
Okay,
So
okay.
that is we
So,
decided that
so,
we
so
can't be
Vinay,
able to in between.
there
Yes.
might be situations for everyone. I
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
think it will be possible, because maybe we have time, I have time, you have time, but there might be situations for
Got
some
it. Totally got it. Totally understood. But the criteria again the same, that we all should do. If so, we will do. Else we will not be able to do in front of 4 or 3 people. So if we all are comfortable to do, so we will do it. Again, the criteria same.
Okay. Okay, so let's go
So
with the majority. Majority always says
yes, yes, yes.
two things.
So we'll do in a WhatsApp group as well. So
Okay,
maybe
guys, one more thing, please respond for your next week. Okay, next week, what you guys think? Because on 22nd it will be Raksha Bandhan, and it
okay.
will be on Sunday. So if you guys are agree for Saturday only, because I know Chetan will not be there, Vivekanand will not be there. I'm not sure he will be there or not, I need to ask. And what about you guys? If you guys are ready, we can continue on Saturday. Otherwise, we can continue from 29th.
So are you available that time?
Yes, yes, I'm available.
Okay, so we will do if all are agree
Okay, so please,
No issue.
on Saturday.
Same here. I will join also on Saturday.
We will.
and
Yeah.
so it's up to you guys. Please send your nominations. I'll be asking on the WhatsApp group. Today we have already, I think we utilized 1 hour 45 minutes, which is a good time.
Yes,
Okay, which
we are
is,
on track.
yes, and I'll try to add, as Ritu gave her feedback, I'll try to add, I mean, we will try to add few grammar activities in our free conversation for 1 or 2 minutes. As Ranjit, if you remember, Ranjit has given a quiz, right? The same way we can do something like that. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, and please send your votes in WhatsApp group. Who is the most good best performer as per you guys, as per your feedback. Okay, then I'll be sending something to Korean and
Okay,
let's see.
so adding some announcement here. So after that nomination, so who will be the winner? So Mukesh is going to buying a Ferrari for that winner. So we all should vote for that. Don't forget it.
Yes, yes, yes.
There is no matter surprise is small or no matter.
I was just kidding for a moment.
But one thing I can do is
Yeah, yes.
I can give you Ferrari printout.
As a,
Yes.
as a toy, you can give.
At least you should have that toy. Yes, 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 yes.
So guys,
Okay. So
Okay,
it
guys.
was a great meeting. Good conversation. We have already did so many things. So thank you so much, guys. I said guide. Okay, let's meet once again in our next session. I think it will be on Saturday as per your choice, guys.
okay.
Have a nice day and
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice
Okay.
day. Nicely
you,
done
Mukesh.
by everyone.
Okay,
Bye,
Okay,
everyone.
bye.
Bye,
See you.
everyone.
Bye.
bye.